Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I like to tell you about how to make soda gembira. Soda gembira is the authentic beverage from Indonesia, and how to make it? It's easy. Now you prepare glass and straw and ice. No, a glass, straw, and spoon. And the ingredients are soda water and ice, syrup, and sweetened milk. And the direction: firstly, you put ice into the glass. After that, you pour sweetened milk and syrup, and the last you pour soda water into the glass. Okay, the soda gembira ready to serve. It's easy, yeah, it's easy to make soda gembira. Okay, thank you very much for your attention.